Are you overtrading and still losing money? You've tried to make fewer trades, but you're still doing over 20 trades every single day. And it's exhausting. And by the end of the session, you've made very little money. You may well have already tried to stop and make fewer trades, but you're still making the same mistake and keep on placing trades when you really shouldn't be doing it. Let's discuss what's really going on. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you some direction, guys, on how you can turn this around and make yourself a better trader. Now, dopamine is the brain chemical behind motivation and reward. Might be the real reason you overtrade, chase losses, and struggle to stay consistent. Every one of us has a baseline of dopamine. Think of it as your resting motivation level when you're not being pushed by anything exciting. Now, from that baseline, dopamine rises into peaks when something motivates or excites you, like trading, like spotting a big winning trade. But here's the catch. After those peaks, dopamine doesn't just go back to normal, it often drops below baseline. That's why after a winning streak, you can feel flat or restless. Your confidence, excitement, and risk appetite all surge. But when it fades, your brain starts craving that feel-good factor again. And that's where overtrading comes in. You give all your profits back. You're chasing that dopamine fix, that feel-good factor. Now, here's the science in brief. Dopamine fuels drive. It's what makes you want to take action. It's not just about pleasure, it's about pursuit. You've got two systems, one's for motivation and reward and one for movement. That's the take action side. There are also two modes, baseline, your everyday motivation, and peaks, the short bursts you get from excitement. Real trading success comes from protecting your baseline, not consistently chasing those dopamine highs. Why traders should care? Well, if you keep spiking dopamine, checking charts non-stop, chasing fast trades, or scrolling social media, you actually lower your baseline over time. That means smaller winning trades stop feeling good, routine setups feel dull, and your focus starts to fade. You're not burnt out because of the markets, you're burnt out because your dopamine system's exhausted. Here's how it plays out. You overtrade, you feel alive, your emotional brain lights up, then you lose money and regret hits. Regret triggers stress, serotonin drops, and your brain starts craving another dopamine fix. So you trade again, not because it's a good setup, but because you want that feeling back again, and the cycle repeats. The big one. Dopamine isn't about reward, it's about anticipation. When you see a setup forming, your dopamine spikes before the trade, not after. That chemical surge makes you crave action, not necessarily results. So your brain's message becomes, just do something. Click the mouse and place that trade. Your trading platform becomes a dopamine playground. Flashing lights from your broker, fast charts, instant feedback, alarms going off, alerts. Each small win gives you a rush. Each loss fires you up for revenge trading. If you're not trading the markets, you're trading your brain chemistry. And when you're bored or anxious, trading feels like relief. Even a trade can feel right in the moment because it quiets that internal discomfort. That's why traders chase frequency over quality. Just like social media scrolling, those quick hits of dopamine make you feel productive, but they're actually training your brain to prefer activity over patience. The solution? You can't remove dopamine. It's part of who you are, but you can redirect it. Here are 7 fixes to stop losing trades emotionally. Reframe losses. Every losing trade is feedback, not failure. There are only winning trades and learning trades. So learn from your losing trades. Pause after a loss. Take 10-minute break. Step away. Don't click for another trade until you're calm and ready. Pre-plan exits. Know your stop and risk before you click on the buy button. Emotion starts where planning stops. Reward the right behavior. Celebrate following your plan, not your winning trades. Create low dopamine routines. Walk, journal, possibly meditate. Quieten your system. Reduce the craving for action. Trade with structure. Have your checklists. Know your setups and limit your sessions. Boring is good. Boring is profitable. Use data, not emotion. Let your journal and stats give you that dopamine hit, not random trades. And one extra, Limit yourself to 4 quality trades per trading session. Here are some other practical tools that can help you with your dopamine. Enjoy the process, the journaling, the analysis, the preparation, not just the win. Don't stack dopamine, avoid caffeine, screen time too much, and risky trades all at once. Raise your baseline naturally by getting out in the sun, cold showers, exercise, sleep, and hydration. Delay rewards. Review your results weekly, not after every single trade. Delay caffeine by 90 minutes after waking up. Keeps your energy curve stable. Do a dopamine reset day each week. Skip the caffeine, limit screens, and avoid high-risk trading. In your trading journal, ask yourself this question: what boosted or drained my dopamine today? Did I chase excitement or stay consistent with my plan? What one habit I can change tomorrow to protect my motivation baseline? Here's the takeaway, guys. The process is the reward. Train your dopamine system to value consistency, focus, and patience, because those are the true traits of a professional trader. And when you do that, trading gets easier, and you start to make a very nice profit, and it's more enjoyable. If you would like a suggestion list, click on the link down below in the description and download it and start working on that now. Hope it helps, guys. Speak to you soon.